Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and pretty much anything else I do for fun. Before we get into today's video, I've got a quick announcement. The channel name is changing to Project Loading. I think the new name fits the overall vibe of the channel a lot better, and there's also some legal reasons behind the change. Other than the name, nothing's really changing. Same channel, same kind of content. Alrighty, with that out of the way, in today's video I'll be installing sound deadening material and acoustic foam in my 2014 Honda CR-V to help reduce road noise, cut down on rattles and vibrations, and improve how the music sounds inside the car. First, let's get started with the front doors and remove the door panel. Remove the plastic panel that covers the side mirror bolts by using a flat head and prying it off. Remove the door controls by prying it off with a flat head and undoing the wire harnesses. They have a small clip that you need to press in so that they can be removed. They can be pretty tight sometimes, so take your time. Remove the plastic trim covering the storage space in the door panel with a flathead. It has a screw underneath it. Pry off the plastic trim behind the door handle to uncover 2 more screws. Now remove all 3 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Pop off the door panel by pulling from the bottom. This will undo the plastic tabs, and it can take a lot of effort, so take your time and don't be afraid to use some power here. Here is how the door panel is pulled to the side. You need to remove the speaker to expose the hole behind it and undo some of the plastic trim that's glued on. It easily just comes off and goes back on, so don't be worried about heating it off or anything. Now, based on my research, the sound deadening is to reduce metal panels from vibrating, and the foam is to reduce some acoustic high-frequency airborne noise. So, as a result, I decided to first lay down sound deadening material on the metal in the inside part of the door. Then I laid foam over top that to reduce road noise and to make the bass more punchier. I also placed foam between my door speaker bracket and the metal because foam is to reduce the airborne noise, and this plastic on metal rubbing causes a significant rattle, which I really wanted to get rid of. Ideally, you want to cover as much as possible, but in reality, if you can manage the same level of coverage as me, you should be pretty good, and that's approximately between 50% to 75% of the door. Make sure to also place a sound deadening and foam piece behind your speaker as well. Alright, let's move on to the rear door now. Pry off the door control panel with a flat head and remove the wire harness. Remove the plastic trim in the storage area in the door panel to reveal a screw. Pry off the trim behind the door panel to reveal 2 more screws. Now, remove all 3 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. I don't have it, but if you do, also remove the plastic panel in the corner with a flathead, which in the front door covered the side mirror bolts. Now pry off the door panel by pulling it from the bottom and going all the way around until all the tabs have broken free. Use the same technique as the front door to cover it with sound deadening and foam. I try to get better angles of how it looks, but unfortunately, the cavity is too small for my camera to fit. If there is any questions, please ask me in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. Here's a diagram showing you how my coverage looks more or less. I also did the rear wheel wells by adding foam onto them, and that's pretty much it. I wanted to reduce the road noise from there if possible. I will link my other video in the description where I undid the rear trim, so I'll just show you what I did with the foam install. Time for a little test to hear what the sound is like after the sound deadening, and I'll show you my EQ settings for reference.
Like a G6. Guess who's back? Steve. You still doing it?
Je m'appelle, nous sommes bien tout le monde.
That's the end of the video, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.